Question 8 is looking at seasonal consumption in a home. Now in Tasmania, you'll realise that we tend to have 2 quarters where electricity consumption is quite high. In order to work with this data a little bit better, it's better to put it into the 3 years in question and then quickly work the average through. So it will give me 3775. I then have to divide each of these figures in year 3 by the 3775 in order to work out an average for that particular year, or if you like, almost an index for the year. We like having about 3 years for patterning purposes. And if we continue that through, and the missing quarter there, 0.8476. So that would mean in quarter 3, averaging those through, we use 20% or 21.3% more energy on a seasonally adjusted basis in quarter 3. So we're deseasonalising that. We can see if there's any particular trending we should be aware of. Adding these guys through and dividing by 3. Now what remains is for me to fill in some missing data from quarter 2. In tests and exams, it's impractical for you to do absolutely everything. So you will find there'll be gaps such as this. So if I get my 48 divided by that figure, deseasonalised, 33, 35, and 37. Now I'll just stop the video for a moment while I graph those, and then you can see particular trendings. Oh, before I do, that seasonal quarter 3 index of 1.213, that basically means 1.213 or 21.3% times that of the quarter. Now, when we look at D and E, they'll become more apparent when we have a look at the graph. It'll be pretty obvious. The one that used the least quarter, we're looking at that quarter 4 from year 1. But is that going to be the particular effect when we do our graph and we deseasonalise? I'll just stop the video and work